Another day, another keyboard, and this time a really good one. This is YUNZII AL66. Inside the box you will have everything what you need. Spare keycaps, USB cable with spare switches, keycap and switch puller, user manuals, and beautiful keyboard itself. Just check this out. Fully aluminum with CNC machining forming, right? Wireless. You have Bluetooth, you have 2.4 wireless, you have a dedicated spot for 2.4 wireless dongle. You have Mac and Win switch, which is super cool. So technically you can use this keyboard with many devices in parallel, or you can easily switch between them. You can work with MacBook on 2.4 wireless and switch to Mac, and you can switch to Bluetooth, right, and to Win and connect to your gaming PC, and it's all from one keyboard. In general, we have a 60 plus, I'm not sure, 60-65% layout, because we have a knob instead of one key, right? But we have three functional keys, we have arrow keys, and obviously we don't have F row. On that side, as I mentioned, we have Win and Mac switch, USB-C port, wireless wired connection, and 2.4 wireless dongle. On the bottom side we have access to the internal part of the keyboard, so you need to unscrew only 8 screws and you will have a full access to PCB sandwich. Inside this keyboard you will find 4600 mAh battery, which is just enough for weeks of work even with RGB. And RGB, by the way, it's pretty nice, it's pretty brightful inside this keyboard. From the structure point of view, we have everything what you may expect, and Poron and IXPE and PET sound pad, everything, and you will hear this over sound test, which I will show you in a second. From the keycaps point of view, we have a pretty standard double shot PBT keycaps. They are not shine through, they are not side printed, they are just normal keycaps. Under them you will find YUNZII linear pre-lubed clear switches, right? Because upper housing is clear, which is just great for RGB, and they are, by the way, 3 pins. But keyboard, of course, can support 3 or 5 pins. And under them you can see switch pad, which is, by the way, covering RGB, which is reducing RGB brightness. So if you want to mod a little bit this keyboard, I suggest you can remove this switch pad and make a holes for RGB, and for example, if you apply then translucent keycaps, it will be just awesome, beautiful keyboard. All switches are same as all stabilizers, obviously pre-lubed. You can see it, lubricant inside the stabilizers. So again, sound should be just perfect. But actually, what about the sound? Let's do a quick sound test. Okay, sound as it's really expected. Perfect. I just recommend to do some tuning, some modding of the spacebar, because it's a little bit off, but everything else is super creamy and super pleasant on type. So if you need a keyboard for typing, this one is just great. Now let's check the RGB. Okay guys, as you may see, we have a side line of RGB, this additional strip on the left side and on the right side. So in general, it's really beautiful keyboard. Take into account that it's fully aluminum and it's really pleasant on touch, and it's really nice color. Also, you can see how bright is RGB, and as I mentioned, if you want to do a small tuning regarding switch pad, you will get an even better RGB. And with the shine through keycaps, this keyboard will be a really beauty on your desk. Okay guys, what I can say about this keyboard, about this YUNZII AL66. If you are looking for the all-rounded, for many purposes, super versatile, small, or rather compact, proper mechanical keyboard with a proper structure, proper sound, really nice looking to enhance your desktop or your home office setup, and you don't need this like strictly for gaming, you need this for everything, I really can recommend, because this piece of aluminum with a super creamy switches and perfect structure will allow you to enjoy typing as much as from the just aesthetical point of view. Because check this out, beautiful, compact, perfectly sound. What else do you need for the custom mechanical keyboard?